Preparing for an AI future might be the most important challenge of today. But teams were already struggling with innovation, and now people are confused and skeptical and anxious about what AI might mean for the future of work. I know that the people who use technology will outperform the people that don't. I'm here to help some of the teams in the world to reinvent the way they work with the power of AI. It's my job to help you blend the power of technology with the power of human creativity. Teams have trouble figuring out how to reinvent the behavior that they've taken for granted for the last 25 years.
Dan Chuparkoff teaches, elevates, empowers, builds from a place of vision, and creates impact.
I've tried experiments for the last 10 years. I know what works and what doesn't. I'm prescribing specific roadmap for change that I've done all of these things myself. So as I started studying teams, the first question that I tried to answer is, what the heck is work anyway? And there's a specific answer, and I put it on this pyramid because there's more of it at the bottom. The first three kinds of work are process. Then you communicate about that work. You talk to your people, your stakeholders, your peers, your customers. Then you start investigating. You look for issues. The fourth kind of work is solving, because once you've found issues in investigation, then somebody has to fix them. The fifth kind of work is discovery, because if you're out of problems to solve one day, you start trying to discover new things, become a better expert. And finally, imagine. Now, as product managers, we get to imagine things more than most people. We get to decide what kind of stuff we want our products to do in the future. We get to decide what kind of future we even want. Innovation is just a noun, and it's the thing that results from some other actions. You have to learn new stuff. You have to try experiments. You have to share information. You have to make decisions faster, and you have to technify some of the manual work. So you'll start to look at the world in a different way. You'll start to find things that you can reinvent to make better, changes that you get to pick. AI is just the new way we make software in the world now. AI is just the new way we collaborate as people with the information around us. AI is democratizing access to information in the world, and that's the kind of thing that's going to be more impactful for the world than fire. And if we do that, we'll spend more time creating amazing new things in our industry, things that wouldn't exist unless we make the time to do this.